Hi everyone, welcome back, where we simplify web development one step at a time. In today's video, we are going to explore Angular pipes and how they help us to transform our data effortlessly in our Angular applications. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use built-in pipes, customize those pipes with parameters, and even also create your own custom pipes which you can use in your application. So let's dive right in. So first I'll answer the question, what are Angular pipes? So for that, we will go to our official Angular documentation. So in Angular, pipes are a way to transform displayed data in your HTML file. So think of them as a simple functions that take in a data and return a modified data, and which it can do directly in our HTML file. Okay. So they're really useful for formatting like dates, number, if you want to convert a currency or change some string to uppercase, lowercase, and also even if you want to change some complex data. So let's explore some most of the common used pipes. So we'll go into our app component.ts file, and here if we create a property called today, and that is of type number, and this will give us today's date. Okay, so date.now. Now this today basically will give us today's date. Okay, now if I go into our HTML file for this, and here if I start writing a p tag, and inside that I'll say without pipe, and if I try to print this date here, okay, the today date, today variable, and in another p tag if I try to type in with pipe, okay, so I'll show you the difference. And this is today, and the method to use pipe is you have to use this single or symbol, and you have to write date like this. So you have to use this symbol, and you have to write whatever pipe you want to implement on this type of data. So we want to implement date pipe, and now if we save it and we go to our application, here you can see without pipe it gives us like this, okay, in this data format, and we can't understand anything. But as soon as we use a pipe on it, which is date pipe, you can see it says Feb 3 2025 is exactly when I'm making this video today. So using a pipe converts our raw timestamp into a readable date. So now let's keep changing our pipe. So I can go here, and in the date I can even say here, after this I can modify this pipe to say show me full date, and once I do this, you will say that it will say, see, Monday Feb 3 2025. So today is Monday, and it's even showing me the day as well. So we can use this full date property here with our date pipe to change our output data. So we can transform it in like so many ways like this. So like this, we also have uppercase and lowercase pipes. For example, here here if we have another, so we have here the title called my Angular app Abhi, right, and this is a lowercase, you can see. So if I want to convert this into a uppercase, so I'll just go here in my HTML. So I'll define a h1 tag here, and inside this I'll say my title. And if we go and see our title currently, which we can say is says my Angular app Abhi, it's all in lowercase. So if you want to convert it into a uppercase, as it's a title, right, so we can just go here, and we can use our another pipe which is called uppercase. So it's a built-in pipe, so we can directly use it like this, and we save it. We can see that it has converted all of them to capital letters, so they are uppercase now. Okay, and for example, if we have something in uppercase and we want to change it to lowercase, we can do same thing, like we can use lowercase here as well, like this. Okay, so that's for the upper and lowercase pipe. Now we also have the currency pipe available as well. For example, if we go here, and we have a property called price, obviously that will be of type number, and we have, for example, 199.99. this is the price currently, and if we want to change this price, currently doesn't have any currency behind it. So first of all, we'll try to go and print it here. So here if we have s2 tag, and inside this if we have our price, you can see it here like this. Now for example, if I want to show it in another currency, like first of all I want it to have the basic currency, which is, so I'll just go here and I'll say currency pipe. So this currency pipe will give it the dollar currency, which is the default currency. Now if you want to change it, for example you are in Europe and you want to use different currencies, then you can just say here whatever currency you want to use. So I want to use euro, so I will say EUR, euro. Okay, and now once I go there, say it's using euro, and same we can do for pound as well. So if you want to use pound, we can say GBP. Now say it's using a pound. So apart from that, we also have more pipes. For example, one of them is decimal pipe, percentage pipe. You can see all of the documentation on how to use them here on the Angular website, and I'll give the link for this. So I'll show you how to use percentage pipe as well. So if we go to our, for example, we have a property here, and that property is percentage. We have this number 0.857. Now we want to convert it to percentage. What we can do is we can directly go to HTML file, and we can say our percentage value, and here we can transform this using our percentage pipe, which is percent. You can see Angular directly suggests me here my Visual Studio Code, and I can directly use it. So you can see it became 59%, right? As my value was 587, so it automatically converted to the nearest decimal, and it says us 59%. Okay, so that's one way of using pipes, and now I'll show you how to chain pipes together and make a more complex pipe out of it. So for example, we have this pipe here, date, where we show full date, right? This one, like this, Monday, February 3, 2025. Now we can make it more complex. The currently you see Monday is like a camel case, and if you want to make this Monday capital, February capital, so we are already using a pipe, so we can chain another pipe with it. And what we can do is we can say here one more pipe, which is uppercase, and we can just chain pipes like this, and it's so easy for us to work. See, Monday, February 3, 2025. Like this we can chain multiple pipes, and however our application need it, we can change our data. So sometimes the built-in pipes aren't enough for all of our needs, right? So we need to learn how to create a custom pipe. So we will do that by using an example of how to reverse a string. So we'll create a pipe which will reverse our string. Okay, so we will say ngGP, so ng generate pipe, and we will call our pipe name, which is reverse, reverc. Okay, now this will create a reverse pipe for us. As you can see here, reverse.pipe.ts file. First of all, inside the transform we will remove this, and we will also remove this. Okay, inside the transform we will accept a value which will be of type string, basically what we want to change, and this will always return string. Okay, this will always return a type of string, and here we will change the return. So we'll say return whatever value you get, and we want to split it, so basic JavaScript, and once we split it we want to reverse it, and once we have reversed it we want to join them again and make it a string. So like this. So that's how we have to see, we have transformed the values, whatever pipe we put. For example, we'll put a pipe, reverse pipe, and that pipe will make sure whatever input data it's getting, it puts this on it, like it will change the data by splitting, reversing, and again joining it and showing it as a reverse string, right? So now our pipe is ready to use. So only thing you have to make sure is you go to your app module.ts file, and here you see the pipe should be inside here. So yes, it is reverse pipe in our declarations, so which means we can use it. So now we will go into our app component.ts file, and we'll try to use this pipe here, for example on this title, which is my Angular app ABI. So I'll go here, the title, which is this one. Okay, and now I want to reverse this, so I will say reverse pipe. See, I have the reverse pipe here available, and now if I go, see, it has actually reversed the whole string here. You can read up my Angular app ABI, so it has reversed it. So like this, you can create your own custom pipes according to your needs. So that's how you use Angular pipes for data transformation. Pipes are a really powerful feature in Angular, which helps us to make our templates more cleaner and do our data transformation more efficient. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Angular tutorials. If you have any questions or topic you'd like me to cover next, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.